Hi everyone. Well, here we go again. Government decisions of all sorts of inconsistencies impacting our businesses, but we've got to deal with it and we've got to get on with it. All right. So, look, I realise we're all in different positions of trading, but in summary, this is just a short message of support and a bit of direction for you all. All right. So, first thing, think of the things that are dear to you and promise to play the biggest game possible to save, tread water, progress or thrive your business through these extremely uncertain times. All right. Then we want to talk about trying to navigate the New South Wales COVID assistance measures. All right. So it is more complex than last year. If you're in New South Wales and affected by the lockdowns, the measures are more complex. So again, same rules apply to the shock of JobKeeper last year. You just need to breathe through it and almost treat the application process like a game. So I want to summarise the application process and the various measures just in really general terms for you all, okay? So I know some of you are a bit lost. So look, if you're trading or you're trade affected, all right, and you've got employees, first thing you've got to do is look at what's going on with your employees and your wages bill, all right? So if you're closed, semi-closed, or just in an industry where there's just no customers or limited customers, you've got to look at your stand down policy. Go to Fair Work Australia. They've got policy on stand down and your rights. Okay. Those employees that are stood down have the New South Wales COVID disaster payment available to them. This payment is tax free and it's organised and processed through their own MyGov account. So it's not something you have to do, but you've got to decide what you're going to do about stand down. Okay. So then with your own business, your trading's affected. And whether you've got employees or not, all right, you've got to go to Service New South Wales. That's the place that you've got to go. It's not through the tax office and it's not through us this year. It's through Service New South Wales. So go to Service New South Wales and register. All the information and the links are in this email, all right? Register your business, apply for the grant or the subsidy or the support measures that are applicable to you. And then you're going to have to come back to us for various application letters or assessment eligibility letters, okay? But look, this is just a message to support, guys. We're here to help. Just when you do touch base, just allow the 2 or 3 days response time because we're getting a lot of inquiry at the moment. But there's a lot of information in this email. So just start there and just make your way through it nice and calmly. Thanks, everyone.